Hello everyone, I'm going to talk about the solar panel sun tracker which is used to charging the phone, and this project is presented by me, Celia Ling and Xia Yuping.
And then, as for introduction, solar panel sun tracker is a device used to increase the electrical energy output converted from the solar energy. Solar tracker can follow the movement of the sun as it rotates from the east to the west every day. It used to keep solar collectors or solar panels oriented directly towards the sun as it moves through the sky every day. Because of this, the amount of solar energy which is received by the solar energy collector is increased, and the energy output of the heat or electricity is generated is also improved. In addition, solar tracker can increase the output of solar panels by 20 to 30%, which improves the economics of the solar panel project. This project would be used an application for phone charger, and normally we're using Arduino as the platform to train this solar tracker.
Okay, as we are using an Arduino, here's the coding part and I will explain on it. As you can see in this slide, shows that all the declared variables such as ELDR pin, WLDR pin, the E and W stands for east and west, and these two variable is assigned pin to the LDR. And then the east LDR, west LDR is a variable that to store the LDR reading, and there is also the variables called difference, error, and servo set. As the difference is a variable to compare between the two LDRs, and the error is a variable to notice the difference between the two LDR. Servo set is the position of the servo. Then this is the part 2 of the project design. As you can see, there's a two void inside there. The first void is setting the server to pin 9 so that the Arduino board can receive the data. And for the second void, it would then shows that when there is more light, the LDR value will be higher as well.
Next, if the east LDR value is greater than IDR than west IDR value by 25, the degree will be positive and it does not exceed 130. Whereas if the west LDR value greater than east LDR value by 25, the degree will be negative and it does not less than 0. And this is the last part for the Arduino coding, and which is we will print out 4 values at the serial monitor in Arduino so that it is easier for us to check for it.
Okay, in this slide, as you can see, this is our demo video and there's 2 demos. And as for the first video, the solar panel moves to the east and west depending on the light intensity on each LDR. As you can see, the light showing to the east and west and the solar panel is moving around. And as for the second video, the phone can be charged but the rate is inconsistent. This might due to the insufficient of electrical energy which can be overcome by implementing more solar panel.
Then we are gonna talk about the hardware part. The first one is the server MG90S, which is a motor used for controlling the panel at single axis, and it is moved from 0 to 130 degrees to control the panel from west to east by setting up the Arduino. And then for the second one is the mini solar panel, which is used to collect the sunlight and charge the solar energy into the electrical energy. As for the third one, we are using a boost converter with USB adapter, which can be boost the energy obtained from solar panel, and the voltage is increased to 5 volt so that it is enough to charge a phone. Then the fourth one is a LDR. LDR is sensitive to light intensity And when we attach each at east and west position as a light sensor in order to help servo motor to control the solar panel. Then the last one is the Arduino Uno, and this Arduino Uno used to control the project by coding, and it controls the servo motor by taking the readings from IDR, and it helps to complete the connection of whole circuit. Without this Arduino Uno, we cannot complete the circuit. Why is this technique or knowledge being so important? Solar tracker is important as it helps to ensure that the solar energy is collected at maximum more effectively. This will produce more electrical energy so that the energy demand from non-renewable resources can be decreased. In future, the phone can be charged by solar energy at high efficiency, which is no need power supply. As you can see, this project can be used to demonstrate a solar tracker for phone charging with low budget before it is going to be more advanced. Arduino is good platform for machine learning and AI. That's all from me. Thank you.